Habitat, a place where creatures live. Predator hunts and does not forgive. Prey, the one that tries to run. Species, a group that lives as one. Biodiversity, many kinds of life. Extinction when none are left alive. Ecosystem, nature working all together. Food chain, who eats who, now and forever. Nature knows how life survives. Every creature, every hive. From the trees down to the sea, we all live in harmony. Adaptation, a change to help survive. Migration, move to stay alive. Climate, long-term weather scene. Weather, rain, sun, or windy mean. Global warming, earth is heating slow. Greenhouse gases trap the heat below. Carbon dioxide from smoke and breath. Pollution brings the planet death. Nature knows how life survives. Every creature, every hive. From the trees down to the sea, we all live in harmony. Deforestation, when forests fall. Endangered few are left at all. Conservation helps protect and grow. Natural disaster shakes the earth below. Nature knows how life survives. Every creature, every hive. Let's protect both sky and sea, to live in peace and harmony.